Reisen 620 bandsaw. This is a large capacity bandsaw that opens to a height of 450 millimetres. The vise is controlled hydraulically and opens to 620 millimetres wide. This is a semi-automatic bandsaw with dual angle ability. Once the machine is started, the vise closes automatically and will begin to feed down. The downfeed pressure and downfeed speed can all be controlled. We can also control the blade speed through the digital variable speed controller. So there's the blade speed changing. Once the saw has completed a cut, it will return automatically and the blade will stop. Once it's fully returned and open, the vise will automatically release. The digital controller also allows you to monitor the blade tension. So if there's any issues with the blade tension or the blade breaks, a light will come on. The machine is very easy to adjust the angle, and the angle can be checked through the digital display on the control panel.